Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School online education. I am glad to see you all in a new session of mathematics. My dear students, let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Thought for the day is: education is the key to unlock the golden door of opportunities. My dear students, this thought is very, very useful and important to all of you, as you all are in the very first step towards become educated. What does it say? That education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. Here, what is the meaning of freedom? Are you prisoner? No. Here, the meaning of freedom is freedom to become educated, freedom to achieve your goals, freedom to prove yourself. Don't let to become educated. Start learning, my dear students. And here we are going to start our today's session. Before we start, everybody sit straight at your place. All my dear students, sit straight. Make your back straight and look at the board. Take the pencil and book in your hand. Write a date and day in this corner. With very good handwriting, write today's date and day. Standard 1, subject maths. As always, I say that you have to write the heading properly. Write chapter 6. Adding greater numbers. ADDING. Adding. GREATER. Greater. NUMBERS. Numbers. Everyone should copy the heading. We have already completed chapter number 6. From previous lecture, we have started chapter checkup. What we have completed till now, let's see. First of all, let's take a preview what we already have completed in our classwork as well as a fair book. We learn simple addition. After that, we learn count forward to add. Addition using number strip. 2-digit addition. Problem solving. These all exercises we have completed by explanation as well as in fair book work. So I hope now your fair book is completing. If not, then complete it as soon as possible. Count forward to add. Begin with the bigger number. We have completed this exercise in previous lecture. Before we understand more, I want to clear that whenever we are going to make exercise of count forward to add, always begin with the bigger number. For that, first of all, we have to find out the bigger number. After that, we have to make forward counting. How? Let's see. Here we have sum 38 plus 3. As just I told you that we have to make counting by forward counting. For that, first of all, find out the bigger number among these two numbers. We can say that 38 is the bigger number. So we have to make circle around it. After that, keep number 38 with you, and as you have to add 3, so you have to make 3 steps forward counting. What is the meaning of forward counting? That you have to count 3 numbers more after given number. Here the number is 38. So we have to count 3 numbers more after 38, which is 39, 40, 41. We reach at 41, which will be the answer which we have to copy in the given box. Understand? Use the number strip to add. In previous lecture, we have understand as well as we write the sums regarding the same. Use the number strip to add. Let's see how can we solve the sum by this method. Here we have number 7878 plus 4, and we have to solve this sum with the help of number line or number strip. Look, my dear students, to solve this, first of all you have to draw this line. This line is called number line or number strip. Why? Because there presents the number also. We have number 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83 and 84 on this number line. Now we want to solve this sum with the help of this number line. First of all, we have to find out number 78. Look, here is 78. After that, we have to move 4 steps forward or after this given number. 1, 2, 3, 4 and stop. Observe where we reach. We reach at number 82. So, where we stop or reach will be our answer. So, here we can say that 78 plus 4 is equal to 82, which we have to copy in the given box. Now, write the new heading. Add the following. ADD add, THE the, FOLLOWING following. Everyone should copy with me, huh? Write very neatly, nicely and put punctuation where it needed. Okay. Write the sum 2020 plus 4040. Everybody copy the sum. Is everyone copied? So now tell me, how can we solve the sum? Yes, you all know that first of all we have to solve the ones column. At ones column, here we have 0 plus 0. So, what do you say? What we get at the end? 0 plus 0, we get 0. Very good. Is the sum over? Not yet. Tens column is still remaining for solving. There is 2 plus 4. Now let's count the fingers. Would you like to count with me? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Everyone, copy this sum in your book. 2020 plus 4040. After solving the sum, we get the answer 6060. Is everyone completed? Very good. Write the new sum. 7070 plus 1313. Each and everyone kindly copy this sum. 7070 plus 1313. Is everyone completed? Very good. Now, first of all, we are going to solve ones column. There is 0 plus 3. Now, my dear students, you all know that by adding 0 to any of the number at the end we get the same number as the answer. As 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Everybody write down 3. Now there remains 10th column for solving. At 10th place there is 7 plus 1. Let's solve it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Everybody copy this sum in your book. 7070 plus 1313 is equal to 8383. Everybody sit straight at your place, make your back straight and look at the board. Here you are having very colorful board. You all enjoy it? Yes, of course, na? Wants to write some more sum? Let's write. Write down the sum. 2, 3, 23 plus 5, 0, 50. Each and everybody has to copy this, huh? 2, 3, 23 plus 5, 0, 50. Let's start solving this sum. First of all, we will solve the ones column. Which number is present there? 3 plus 0. Now tell me everybody, how can we solve this sum? Who remembers that when there is a 0, what will be the answer? Among all of you, who remembers this? By adding 0 to any of the number, we get the same number as answer. As here we have 3 plus 0, we get the same number 3. Copy this. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Make sure that you have to write 3 at one's place only. Okay? Now move towards solving 10th column. Which numbers are present there? There is 2 plus 5. You all want to solve with me? Yes. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Now everybody copy number 7. Again I am repeating the sum. 2, 3, 23 plus 5, 0, 50. After solving the sum, we get number 7, 3, 73. Everyone has copied the sum. Very good. Very good. Now write the new sum. 3737 plus 5252. While writing the sum, please take care about that. You have to write the sums in proper place. 3 in tens place, 7 at ones place. In the same way, 5 at the tens place just below number 3. When 2 is at ones placed just below 7. In mathematics, these all things are very important. Now move towards solving the sum. First of all, we will solve ones column. That is 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. Who wants to count with me? I know you all are eagerly waiting to make counting, huh? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Very good. Now there remains tens column for solving. At tens place there are present 3 plus 5. Now let's solve this sum also. You have to count loudly, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3737 plus 5252, we get 89. Here we have completed addition from chapter checkup. Everybody write in your book SOLVE, solve. Look, which picture is this? Can any guesses you are having? This is the picture of school bus. What is the sum? 25 children in one bus. 32 children in another bus. How many children in both buses? What is the sum? That in one bus there are 25 children. When in another bus there are 32 children. What we have to find out? We have to find out how many children altogether in both buses. Now tell me, whenever we are going to solve problem sums, what should we do? First of all, we have to prepare the equation which is already present here. First of all, we have to write the first one. Here, first 25 children. So first of all, now write down in your book 2, 5, 25. Make sign of addition. Then we have to add the another number which we are having in the sum. Here we have number 3 to 32. As 32 children are in another bus. So write down number 32 here. Now make addition. First of all, solve the ones place. 5 plus 2. How can we solve this? Keep number 5 in your mind. Look, count forward system is very helpful to make addition. First of all, keep number 5 in your mind. Then count 2 steps forward. 5 after 6 and 7. We reach at 7. So it will be our answer. Everyone understand? Now move towards tens column. Look at there. Which numbers are there? There present 2 plus 3. How can we solve this? First of all, keep number 2 in your mind. Then move 3 steps forward. 2 after 3, 4, 5. We reach at 5. So we have to write number 5 at tens place. Now look, which number form they both together? 5, 7, 57. So write number 57 in the box. We can say that 57 children in both bus. Here we have completed our chapter checkup of chapter 6. The whole chapter 6 becomes over. Now we are going to write table of 4. Everyone write the heading table of 4. T-A-B-L-E table of 4. Say and write table of 4, but you have to speak loudly, huh? Four ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Very good. Now everybody copy the homework in your book. Write the heading homework. What is the homework? Write table of 4 2 times in homework book. Okay. At your home, everybody stay safe, Stay happy. Take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye bye everyone.